Hello guys, Rock here with you again. Today I want to tell you how you can open your doors if you forgot the key inside the car and suddenly it's closed. So in a Ford Fiesta, if you did this, you have not many choices. So let's imagine your key is inside the car, you come to the car and it's closed. What can you do? What can you do with this? There are basically two options that will be suitable for Ford Fiesta in this situation. The first option is you go home and take your the second key from your car, and you just open it, and then you get in this car and get your first key. This is the optimal way. You will not spend any money, but maybe you will spend some time for this. And your second option is to call a locksmith or call a dealer. So they will come and use different kinds of equipment to open your door without damaging the car, and you will get your key, and your key will still be working. If you go to some repair shop, they may also use different methods, like for example they can put in here some inflatable pillows, let's say, and then inflate them and open this part of the door a little, maybe like 10 millimeters only, and they will then insert something into this space that they get, and you will be able to open the door and get into the car, and then you will get your main key. Unfortunately, you don't have any other clever ideas on how you can open the door in Ford Fiesta without the key and not damaging this car. So I hope I answered your questions, and see you in the next videos.